Hey fashion lover, welcome back to Fashion Forward. How are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. The channel where we keep you in the loop with the latest trends, fashion hacks, and must-haves. Today we are diving into a unique and innovative trend, stiletto slipper, flip-flops. Yes, you heard that right. The perfect fusion of stiletto and comfort. Are you someone who loves the elegance of stiletto but dares the discomfort? Well, you are in for a treat. Stick around and I shall tell you all about how these ingenious flip-flops are changing the game. Let's start by answering the big question: what exactly are stiletto slipper flip-flops? Imagine your favorite comfy flip-flops but with an added flair of a mini stiletto heel. They combine casual comfort with a touch of elegance, offering a unique option for those days when you want to take it easy but still look fabulous. What makes them stand out? Well, first off, the design is unlike anything we have seen before. The concept revolves around blending high-end fashion with everyday practicality. Typically, flip-flops are your go-to footwear for relaxation, beach days, quick errands, or longing to at home. But the addition of the stiletto heel gives it an elevated, chic twist. But do not worry, these are not your typical stilettos. The heel is usually lower and the materials are designed to ensure maximum comfort. We shall talk more about the different styles and brands shortly, but first let's discuss how this innovative footwear trend came to life. So where did this concept of mixing stilettos with flip-flops even come from? The idea draw inspiration from modern urban fashion trends, where we see a constant merging of styles. Fashion designers are always looking for ways to combine form and function. We have seen trends like athleisure, where gym wear becomes a fashion statement, and now we are witnessing the blending of the relaxed web of flip-flops with the elegance of high heels. This trend likely found its roots in the ongoing demand for versatile fashion pieces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical for everyday use. Imagine you are on a tropical vacation, walking on the beach, but later heading to a dinner. You want something casual but also stylish. Voila, the stiletto slipper flip-flops answers that need. Many designers started experimenting with this concept and soon it became a must-have for those who crave versatility and comfort without sacrificing their love for high fashion. Now, why should you consider adding stiletto slipper flip-flops to your collection? Let's break down some of the major reasons. Number one, comfort meets style for everyone. For anyone who struggles with the pain that often comes with wearing high heels for long hours, these flip-flops offer a stylish compromise. The shorter heel ensure you still get that elevated look but with significantly less discomfort. Number two, versatility. Whether you are going for a casual day out or attending a relaxed evening event, these flip-flops can seamlessly fit into multiple settings. Pair them with jeans, a summer dress, or even a beach outfit. They work with almost anything. Number three, they are travel friendly. Imagine having a pair of shoes that work both as casual sandals and something that adds a touch of sophistication. These shoes are perfect for traveling, lightweight, easy to pack, and they suit various occasions. They are more than just a trend, they represent a lifestyle of convenience and style all in one. Let's talk about the top brands that have embraced this trend. Some of the biggest names in fashion have introduced their own versions of the Stiletto slipper flip-flops, making sure there's something for everyone, from comfortable fashion to more affordable options. The offer an elegant elegant take on the stiletto slipper with high quality materials like leather and soft cushioning, ensuring both durability and comfort. Their designs often feature sleek, minimalist details, making them perfect for sophisticated everyday wear. If you are looking for something more budget friendly but still stylish, this brand is for you. They focus on trendy colors, fun patterns, and affordable prices. Get great if you want to try the trend without breaking the bank. Now this brand brings a fresh, innovative look to the flip-flop game. The focus on eco-friendly materials and sustainable practice, so you can look good while feeling good about your impact on the environment. Each of these brands brings something unique to the table, but the common factor is that they are recognize the importance of blending comfort and fashion. Now let's get into the fun part, styling. How do you wear these stiletto slipper flip-flops and make them work with your wardrobe? Do not worry, I have got you covered with some fabulous outfit ideas. First up, for a casual chic look, pair your flip-flops with distressed jeans, a loose fitting top, and some layered jewelry. It's an effortless combination that says I woke up like this but still looks super stylish. For a beach to bar vibe, try them with a following maxi dress. The flip-flops will give you the casual feel you need for the beach, but that slight heel adds on elegance to transition easily into a more dressed up setting. Heading out for a brunch date, pair your flip-flops with a cute mini skirt and a tucked in blouse. It's feminine, fun, and flirty without being too formal. If you are going for an easy street style look, try a pair of black or metallic flip-flops with the leather jacket, ripped skinny jeans, and a bold lip color. It's a bold fashion statement showing that you can balance comfort and attitude. The key to styling these flip-flops is balancing casual and chic. You can dress them up or down depending on the occasions. Let's talk care and maintenance for a moment. Like any pair of shoes, your stiletto slipper flip-flops will last longer if you take proper care of them. Since many of these flip-flops are made from materials like leather, rubber, or suede, it's important to clean them regularly with the appropriate products. If you have opted for leather, use a soft cloth and leather cleaner to wipe away any dirt or grime. For rubber or plastic materials, you can use a damp cloth or a gentle soap solution. And of course, if you want to maintain that fresh, clean look, avoid wearing them in raw condition like muddy or wet areas. Alright, fashion lovers, that's our on today's video. What do you think about the stiletto slipper flip-flops? Are you ready to give them a try? Let me know in the comments below. I love to hear how you plan on styling them. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss any future videos. We have got more exciting trends, fashion tips and style inspiration coming your way right here on Fashion Forward.